DJI just got banned from selling any new products within the United States, and here's what you need to know. So this isn't your typical ban. This isn't just about drones. What this is the US has banned DJI from getting any new FCC approval to sell the products within the United States. Now you might think, Tom, how does this affect me? Maybe I'm a seller in England. What's that got to do with me? Well, the thing is, at the moment, if you go on the DJI website, if you're in the US, everything is marked as sold out. So you can't get any new DJI products within the US. So what's happened is that the demand hasn't increased, but what's happened is obviously people aren't like creators like me who use the wireless, these aren't DJI, but the wireless microphones or the cameras, like this is an Osmo, Osmo Pocket, things like that. They can't use them because it's affecting anything that uses radio signals. And it's under the guise of national security because it is a Chinese company, and that's what's triggered it. I'm sure it's only temporary, but what's happened is because of that, the market prices have absolutely skyrocketed because traditional retailers are selling out of the inventory that they've got. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I personally think if you've got DJI products that you're not using, like this is an Osmo Pocket. It's a great camera. It's brilliant. I've used it, but I don't use it that often because it's easier, as painful it is, just to use my phone or to use the GoPro. This is great. You know, it follows you around. It's got the gimbal on top. It's a brilliant piece of kit, but I'm not using it. So I'm going to list this on eBay and make sure that global shipping program is on there, because currently the demand in the US is massive for DJI products because they do make decent products. So is this a temporary spike? Maybe. But if you're not using it, now is a good time to list DJI products. Now, the thing is, with the ban, I'm sure they'll get round it. I'm sure there's a negotiation period, but I think this temporary spike might last longer than you think. Now, much like the issues surrounding RAM and stuff like that, and the crazy prices that AI has created with RAM, there are people that are going to be profiting from this. So if you're, say, in America and watching this, get down to your local retailer and find DJI products. You could maybe flip them on Amazon for a profit. It's not going to affect me in the UK. I'm not going to bother with that sort of thing. But just as long as you're aware that this is probably only going to be temporary. And I'm sure because such a massive company, they will find a workaround for it with the FCC. But it just sucks for creators in a way because, I mean, thankfully for myself, I've already got all the stuff that I need. But I know that some people, particularly like the DJI mics and stuff like that, people heavily rely on those for creating content. And that's going to become more and more difficult. And there are some good alternatives. This is Hollyland microphones. I'll put a link to them in the description. It's an Amazon affiliate link if you're interested. These are fantastic. I really rate these. But some people are completely invested in the DJI ecosystem with the drones, the cameras on the drones and stuff, and the Osmo Pockets. So yeah, it just sucks for them, unfortunately, but it probably is a temporary glitch now. That temporary glitch could last 2 months, 6 months, but I can't imagine that such a large company would want that, because such a large market. Now, how's that going to affect the UK? Is the UK going to follow suit? Probably not. Obviously, there are security risks around it, but I think our government are too busy dealing with other issues. And if you want to put those in the comments, what other issues the government are probably too busy dealing with, go for it. But I'm not going to talk about it in this video. So yeah, I'll keep my eye on it. If there's any further updates, I will post a follow-up video. But I just thought that's helpful because you know, GSP is a big part of my business. So I do try and keep in touch with global issues around trade and trade bans and things like that. So for more information about buying and selling on eBay and on Amazon, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one.